Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this green smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first using the Morphe 35M eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this shade here as my transition shade in the crease. Next, taking this darker shade and I'm applying that just to the crease, and this is just to add some more definition. After that, I'm using the transition shade again just to blend that back out. Then taking that dark green shade again through the crease, and I'm just repeating those last two steps just to build up colour and have a seamless blend. So I keep going in with this first shade that we used just to keep that pigment of the nice green shade. Next, using the black shadow and applying that to the outer corner just to create that smoky eye effect. Then blending that back out with that dark green shade. After that, I'm using a concealer or eye base just to carve out the eyelid shape, and this is where we're going to put the shimmer shadow on top of. I then took this gorgeous green, almost gold eyeshadow and applied that on top of the eyelid. And I then took a small detailing brush with the dark green shade on it, and this is just going to define the eyelid shape. Then I used the crease brush just to buff out that harsh line. Next, onto eyeliner, I'm using the Epic Ink Eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics, and this is to create a wing. Then using that black shadow again onto the outer corner just to blend in with the wing. And then again, I'm using that crease brush just to smooth it back out. I next added lashes, and these ones are from SOSU in the style London. After that, I took this gorgeous raspberry shadow and applied that to the bottom lash line to add a pop of colour. And then went back in with the black closest to the lash line as possible. And then back in with that raspberry shade just to make sure the colour really stands out at the bottom. Next, I used the Esquido liner and applied that into the waterline just to tie everything all together. I then added some mascara to the bottom lashes, and the one I used today is from Maybelline and it's called the Colossal Mascara. Next, I took this shade here to highlight the brow bone and inner corner. Then I used the Huda Beauty Pink Sands highlighter palette and I applied that to the cheekbones. Then to finish off, I lined my lips with the Collection Cappuchino lip liner. Then applied the Clinique Nude Pop lipstick that's got a gorgeous gloss finish. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.